नमस्कार, कसे आहात सगळे? मस्त मजेत ना? आज आपण सराव संच 3.3 शिकणार आहोत. त्याच्या अगोदर आपण सराव संच 3.3 मधला पहिला प्रश्न जो आहे तो पहिला प्रश्न आपण अभ्यासलेला आहे. So today we are going to learn practice set 3.3 question number 2 and 3. So we are start from question number 2. So whatever be the question number 2, that can be C. So here is the instruction is simplify. So you must be simplified. So the problem number is given to you, that is cube root of 27 upon 125. This is the problem given to you. What they are said cube root. So why I say it is cube root, because here is right 3 and this sign is root. So cube root of 27 upon 125. So cube root of 27 is what? So cube root of 27 is 3. 3 into 3 into 3. If you are doing 3 times, then you get 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So cube root of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, 3. Then cube root of 125. So 5 into 5 into 5. So what you get? 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. Okay. So see, here is showing the step to you. Cube root of 27. So this is the numerator 27. So that is 3 into 3 into 3. So see, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then 125. So 125 can be factorized as 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So I want to write cube root. So the 3 into 3 into 3, you can take one number, that is 3. Okay, so numerator is 3. Then denominator 5 into 5 into 5. So you can take one number, so that is 5. So you get the answer 3 upon 5. So cube root of 27 upon 125 is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, that is the answer. Are you understand how can get 3 upon 5? See, 27. So 27 cube root is 3 into 3 into 3. So see, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So then 125 is denominator, that is factorize 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. So 27 cube root is 3. Okay, then 125 cube root is 5. So answer is 3 upon 5. Are you understand? Then we are going to learn second problem. So that is the cube root of 16 upon 54. So cube root of 16. So 2 into 2 into 2, what you get? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. Okay, so you are getting 2, but cube root of 16 is not 2. So 16 can be factorized such a way, one number cube root must be get. Okay, 16 can be factorized such a way that one number cube root must be get. Why it is so? Because 16 is not a perfect cube root number. It is not a perfect cube root number. So 16 can be factorized 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16, because 8 cube root you know that is the 2. Then 54. 54 is also not a perfect cube root number. So that is factorized 2 into 27. And 27 cube root you know 3. So see here the step I am showing you. See, 16. It is not a perfect cube root number. So it is factorized 2 into 8. Okay. So it is factorized 2 into 8. Why it is factorized 2 into 8? Because 8 cube root you know. So what is the cube root of 8? So cube root of 8 is 2. Means 2 into 2 into 2. If you are doing 3 times, then you get 8. Then 54. It is also not a perfect cube root number. So it is factorized 2 into 27. So 27 cube root you know 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So see what can be happen here. These two cancel. This numerator 2, this denominator 2 cancel. So what is remains? 8 upon 27 is remain. So cube root of 8 upon 27. So 8 cube root is 2. Means 2 can be multiplied 3 times, then you get 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 27 cube root is 3. 3 can be multiplied 3 times, then you get 27. So that can be shown here. See, the cube root is written as it is. 8 cube root, that can be shown 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is factorized such a way 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 can be factorized such a way, 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So that is 8 factorization. 27 can be factorized such a way, 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27. Okay, so here is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. You can take only one 2. So here is you get 2. Denominator 3 into 3 into 3 3 times. You can take only one 3. So 2 upon 3 is the answer. So cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to, you are getting 2 upon 3. Anyone doubts? Then we are going to see another problem. So what is this? The problem number 3 is here. If cube root of 729 is 9, means what they are given, 729 cube root is given. So 729 cube root is 9. Then cube root of 0.0000729, after decimal point 6 digits are there. So how many digits after decimal point? You can check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here is written after decimal point 6 digits. So after decimal point 6 digits, so where we give decimal point, that can be find with help of 1 upon 3 into 6. Why 1 upon 3? Because I want to find out cube root. So 1 upon 3. Why multiply by 6? Because after decimal point there is 6 digits. After decimal point how many digits? See, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So after decimal point 6 digits are there, and we want to find out cube root. So we want to find out cube root. So 1 upon 3 into 6, that you get where you kept the decimal point. So see, 1 upon 3, right? Because we want to find out cube root. Into 6, why? Because after decimal point there is 6 numbers are there. So into 3. Okay, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So you get the answer 2. So after decimal point how many digits? 2 digits. So after decimal point 2 digits, so we can write that answer 0.09. See, after decimal point 1 and 2. Okay, after decimal point 1 and 2 digits are there. So here is answer is 0.09. Are you understand why after decimal point 2 digits? Because answer is get 2. 1 upon 3, why you are multiplying? Because you want to find out cube root. Into 6, why? Because after decimal point 6 number. So into 6. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So 2. After decimal point how many digits? 2 digits. So 0.9. So see, 1 and 2 digits. So 0.09. Okay. Then last problem in this lecture we want to find out, that is find the cube root. Find the cube root. So here is 1728, which is the number 1728 is the number. That cube root you want to find out. So which is the unit place here? The unit place is 8. Okay, unit place is 8. So that 8 is divided to 1728. So see, 8, this 8 is divided. So 8 into, what is the quotient that can be right here? So 8 divide 17. 8 2 ja 16. So here is 2. 8 2 ja 16. So here is 2. 17 minus 16, what is remains? 1. So it become 12. 8 1 ja 8. 12 minus 8, what is remain? 4. Okay. 8 6 ja 48. So you are get 8 into 216. Okay. So you get here answer 8 into 216. So here is 8 is, this 8 can be factorized first. So how can you factorize 8? 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. So you get 8 here. See, this is the 8. That 8 factorized with help of the 2. That 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. Mean 8 can be factorized 2 2 2. How many times? 3 times. 2 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. Then 216. What is that? 216. So unit place which number? 6 number. Unit place which number? 6. So 6 is multiplying 3 times. 6 6 ja 36. 36 6 ja 216. Okay. So 216 is getting you 6 into 6 36. 36 into 6 216. So we can write here in the indices from 1 2 3. So 2 how many times? 3 times. So 2 is 8. 8 can be factorized. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 216. Unit place is 6. So you are multiplying 6 3 times. 6 into 6 36. 36 into 6 216. Okay, so 2 is multiplying 3 times, so we write 2 indices 3. Then 6 is multiplying 3 times, so we write 6 indices 3. Okay, so 2 indices 3 into 6 indices 3. So here is 3, here is 3, so 3 is common, so we can write into the bracket 2 into 6 indices 3 according to this rule of indices. A indices m into b indices m is equal to a into b indices m. According to this rule, we can be write this 2 into 6 bracket indices 3. So we want to find out cube root of this. So cube root, so these 3 can be cancelled. So what is here? 2 6 are 12, because you want to find out cube root. So we can write single times. Here is not write 2 3 times, 6 3 times, that can be taken single times. So 2 into 6, what you get? 12. So cube root of 1728 is equal to 12. I hope that all of the students are understand very well what I taught you. So please like this channel, subscribe this channel. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe the channel, and if you are subscribed, then share this video with your friends. Please learn in 8th standard or 9th standard or 10th standard also, because we are taken lecture of 8 9 10 maths. Okay, so if you are subscribe this channel, then you get the 8th standard maths, 9th standard maths and 10th standard maths also. So please subscribe the channel and share video with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye, take care, and send this homework to me on my WhatsApp number. See, here is giving you homework. There are the 3 problems given, so you can solve these 3 problems and send me on my WhatsApp number. Have a nice day. Bye.